And welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin, when is this relief rally about to come. Also going to be discussing Ethereum, Solana, altcoin season, and so much more. So give me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We post one video about crypto trading every single day. Guys, yesterday we had a drop with BTC after the PPI, the producer price index, came below expectation. Everything looked that it was actually very, very good. People were very happy. Say, oh, now we're going to have a nice pump, and Bitcoin went to the downside. What is actually quite funny is that although lots of people were, of course, went long and they got completely liquidated, as per usual, our VIP group, as per my call, as you can see from here, long in 80.3.4. Everything, guys, transparent and documented. We went and we waited, as you can see from here, potential long and 79 to 80K. We longed Bitcoin. We went for the right moment. And guys, results talk for themselves. And this week, guys, 100% winning rate in between myself, my other pro members. So if you're really sick and tired of losing in this game, and you really want to start to learn how to trade properly and increase your winning rate, in this group, guys, VIP group, we have professional traders, education, so many traders here. We have Bitcoin analysis, altcoin long term, spot trading, anything you can think of, guys. Link in the description. There is a little trailer if you want to join our amazing FTA VIP community. And also, there is our trading results for the last past year. Everything documented by the letter, as I always do. And now, guys, let's dive into BTC. What's happening right now? Where to go? Guys, the situation is very, very simple. Right now, we are still into a downtrend. We can go on the daily and I can show you what's going on right now. I'm expecting a complacency rally. I'm expecting a relief rally coming maybe this week, maybe next week, after the Federal Reserve is going to decide what is going to do with these interest rates. Now, levels I'm actually interested right now is going to be this one, and is going to be this one. I don't care about anything else. And only thing I care is also to be able to break this important level of resistance. So if we're going to see a potential rate cut from the Fed, maybe next week, I could be seeing BTC to go and potentially retrace up to this area, around $93,000 to $94,000. But that's why you have to be very careful, is because what's going to be happening there is that is this going to be our final push to the upside, or is going to be a complacency rally, and then we're going to go and drop one more time, and then finally we're going to have a push to the upside? There are some metrics which explain into the VIP group every single day, which are going to tell us if this is going to be a complacency rally or is going to be a real rally to go to the upside. So many things. You got to have a look at volume footprint, order blocks, liquidation, like so many things that we had to observe if it's going to be this and then down, or if it's going to continue. So right now, guys, basically what I'm doing, I'm a buyer down here. I'm maybe a seller down there, depending on what's going to be happening. Now, let's also have a look short term a little bit, and then we talk about Solana, Ethereum, all season as well. So right now, that's what I can see. I can see BTC. There is a level of resistance in this area, another one in this area, like that, and another one down to here. So that's what I can see. If you actually can, we are able to break this area here, 83,000. Next level is going to be 86, 85, 86. Next one is going to be 88 to 90. Of course, the most sensitive spot to open and short, in my opinion, will be around maybe 88, 87 to 88, maybe down to here, because what you could be expecting from there is going to be a retest of this previous line of support. It's going to go up to here and then boom, down to here to retest this area. It's going to be good for like a short opportunity. But again, if you're going to go and go long, are you going to go long right now that we know with an RSI at 50? Very difficult to say. So you have to wait for the right moment. Like I always said to our VIP members, trade the extremes. Very important. And by the way, guys, if you want to trade with an amazing exchange, we are running, I think, like the offer of a lifetime. With my exchange, guys, my partner Blowfin, we are giving away, if you are 10% cash back, up to $5,000 in cash back. So if you're putting down, depositing into your account with my link, $50,000, you're going to get $5,000 back in bonuses. It means that you can trade $5,000, like extra free $5,000 to trade. Maybe you're going to be making lots of money. And if you can actually make $100 million in volume, right? So if you're lucky, you can, leverage to 100x and do like $100 million in volume, you get an extra $9,400, the price of a Rolex. So I don't know what you're waiting for. We only have now 15 spots now. We're 20 yesterday, 15 spots now. Hurry up because this offer is going to end soon. Be very careful. Anyway, now let's go back into our Bitcoin chart. So that's what I can see right now, guys. Basically, we are in the middle. I'm probably considering like a short around 86 to 88,000, long down to, 70, 79. We'll see, of course. In the VIP, we write everything here in our Bitcoin analysis chart, exactly the points where I'm going to be, shorting or longing as well. Now, let's talk about all season Ethereum, altcoins as well. Ethereum, of course, looks like shit. Negative, negative, negative delta. The whales are buying. I mean, what are they buying, the whales? What are you talking about? The whales are buying here. What is the whales buying? Come on. If you're going to see like a positive delta, a nice, on the weekly, a beautiful engulfing candle, like a yellow candle covering, then I could probably change my mind. Right now, nobody's buying. Ethereum looks like shit. But I want to show you something like a good observation that's is probably going to tell us that a relief rally is around the corner. And I want to show you from here. So you can see that Ethereum basically went down and had a very bad, here we go, had a very bad, we went up to this way, it's going down again. But in reality, ETH is now touching this important level of previous, I would say, that we break out here the resistance, and it's basically retouching this level of support. So technically, it doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Even if I do like, like that, it doesn't look too bad. And in my opinion, it's probably going to go down maybe to, 1,700, 650. But from there, what I could be seeing, because we had a breakdown, sorry, from here, it could be seeing maybe another like a relief rally, complacency rally, if Bitcoin is going to go to 94,000, maybe up to, let's say, 3,100, 3,200. And then there is going to decide whether it's going to be an impulse wave and we're going to go to a new all-time high, or it's going to be another drop down, make everybody killing everybody, every possible retailers, and then we're going to see a big push to the upside. But again, guys, volumes, footprint can show you that, as well as order blocks, as well as liquidity heat maps, and some other stuff that's institutional utilize to trade. I can tell you exactly when is the right time to buy and right time to sell. I still got so much cash waiting to be deployed. I haven't touched any cash anymore because of the situation. I want to see a proper reversal to come. Next one, guys, Solana. Solana is into a completely similar situation. You can see here, you can draw a Fibonacci in this area, Fibonacci retracement going down to here. You can see the 0.786 around $70. Each Solana is going to go maybe to 190, retouch this level here, and then go parabolic again. I mean, that could be happening. Or maybe at least you could be seeing maybe to go and retest this area around 220, 230. And then it's going to be like, a relief rally up to here and then to continue down, go down to like 20 and then boom, up again. That's all we had to see. But important, guys, there are specific things that we had to take into consideration to understand if this is going to happen. But right now, if somebody asks me, where do you see Solana? To me, it's going to be here. Like I can really see, the break of structure going down from here. I can see the Fed cutting interest rates probably soon, causing a relief rally, and then we had to analyze what happens with BTC and with Donald Trump. If Donald Trump is going to start to open his mouth again and just talk about these bullshit tariffs, then we could be seeing maybe another drop down, make everybody super scared, full on bear market, and then finally another bull market. Or if you're going to be able to close above here, nice green delta, positive coming inside, and then we can go for another push to the upside. My bias is more for, I would say, push to the upside and to go probably up to $400 to $420. Again, you guys, perma bears, you can kill me with that. I can see lots of negativity right now, but to me, $430 as a target for Solana is still on the cards. Tell me whatever you want. I don't care. I just go on my own analysis. It can definitely happen. 400, 430, reach this level here, and then melt down completely. But we will see what's going to be happening. And as well, guys, Total Free as well. Total Free, again, has been reaching an important level of support right now. Is it going to go more down? Well, I guess it could happen. I mean, everything is possible. But right now, I must say that if I look at this, if I draw some lines of diagonal support, in my opinion, it looks like that it could be going potentially down one more time, but then it's going to have a relief rally, going back to this area, previous breakout, and then we decide it's going to go down more or it's going to continue to this way. But the next movement, in my opinion, is going to be up to here. And of course, guys, in the comments, let me know what you think. If it's possible, this is going to be happening. But I can see we are oversold. A glimpse of a good news is going to really trigger a crazy snapback to the upside. Also, guys, very important, DXY still, as I said before, going down. I was predicting this a long time ago, and I want to see what's going to be happening when we're going to go down to 96 to 97. Where is going to be Bitcoin? Is going to go to 120? Is going to be a 95? Very important. So if you don't know, if you don't understand that, like we do in the VIP group, guys, I mean, you're going to be in trouble, because if this is going to go down to here and Bitcoin is at 95, it means something. But if it's going to go down to this area is around 140, it means also like another thing. But again, I'm expecting this one to go down. And if this is going to go down, we should be seeing risk assets to go higher, as well as the US 10 years. If it's going to go to, let's say, 3.5 or 2.7, good for crypto and stocks. But at the same time, when it's going to go down to that area, what is going to be the implication? Are we going to see then a bearish, I would say, a big push of the 10 years up again with like bearish stocks and crypto, or are we going to see another downside coming? That's what we had to have a look at. And guys, that's about it for today. I really hope this was helpful. But again, lots of people are asking me, do you see an R season coming up? I think it all depends on this relief rally coming for BTC, which I'm expecting is going to be happening perhaps this week, perhaps next week. But it will really be making sense only because institutions. I was lucky enough, to have acquaintances working for institutions, and they seek liquidity, right? They manipulate, they seek liquidity, and with this kind of sentiments, what is going to be their possibility, that chance to basically destroy the market more than what is right now? I mean, it's going to be potentially they have to grab more liquidity, so they're probably going to try to pump the market back up a little bit, grab more people, and then push it down. But depends on everything. It depends on Trump tariffs. It depends on the Fed cutting rates and many other, I would say, variables. But otherwise, I really wish you're gonna have a great weekend. And I'm gonna post another video tomorrow. But have a great weekend, and I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye bye.